reaction.
You ready?
Yeah.
If you'll recall the last time that we did this rear main seal and it didn't take, and we'll talk about why it didn't take, we had to take the motor out to get the transmission out. And this time, I'm just going to cut the boat apart.
Ew.
Yeah.
Balla! Let's see.
I figured I'd be doing
Can
this.
I move my
Sure,
position?
Yes. I got the prop off.
Okay.
We're going to take off this dripless seal thing. Packing seal, I guess, PPS. And then this all has to come off, and then we're going to, because this will come off super easy, I'm sure. Just so I'm covered in rust, it's going to be super dead easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this support, and then I'm going to take a skill saw and cut down here and down there, and take a piece of plywood out, and attach that plywood to this thing, and that'll be a unit, and then when I take the transmission out, I can put that back.
I like it.
Yeah, and then I'll put a cute little piece of trim right there in there.
Nice.
And then every time we do this, which I'm sure will never be ever again, ready to go.
Nice. Have you missed the old girl? This is the first time really getting in there.
Not as dirty as I remember her being.
Good.
Yeah, I was like, when we left, I was like, throw that boat away. I'm not quite there, but.
Nice.
So this is good. Communist.
I spent the day organizing over here to give Spencer a work area.
Look how nice.
The whole boat is actually looking pretty good, if I do say so myself.
It's cool.
See, I have organized and cleaned Spencer's little workstation over here. I've set my own little home office over here. And I'm tackling the bathroom now. I have finally showered, now that I feel it's warm enough in the boat to come back and not be freezing. And our heater situation is this. We have one in the main living room that's like a construction. We used them for the job sites all the time. We put that out here, and then we did the radiator heater in the bedroom for nighttime. So.
I bet by the time we're done here, we're gonna have like 5 heaters.
Yeah.
Prop shaft seal out, coupler off, customized slot to pull transmission out. Last time we did this, it was a real pain in the ass. We had to move the motor. And so this time I am modifying Tarka so that we just have to move the transmission instead of all the other shit. See, there's the dream. Cut, cut. Piece, gone. Gonna reinstall later. Nice, nice. It seems like we pull this thing out about twice a year because it's quality. And I'm making it better. Here we go. What's it feel like to be wrong all the time, V? Once again, using the crowbar. Huh?
For what? It can't be the same thing.
It's not the same thing. It's the opposite of the same thing.
So it's kind of the same thing.
No. Instead of pushing the
Oh, it's the exact same thing.
No. I'm pushing off of the thing to push the coupler off.
As opposed to pushing it on.
No. As opposed to pushing the ring back to get pressure on the bellows, I'm using the ring that has the little Allen's keys as a block or a blocker, and push against that to get the coupler off. Yeah.
You're working on what, by the way?
I'm trying to get our prop shaft off.
So that you can
redo all the shit after the transmission.
Yeah. Nice.
Sweet. Okay, here we are again. Doing the main seal. Pretty sweet, huh? So we got engine picked up with the block and tackle, bill house off, trying to get the flywheel off. That's where the problem arises. So I made a little extender, and we're either gonna break some bolts or get it off. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, baby, got one.
Yeah. Good job, Spence.
1 out of 4. Come on, baby, go. Go break. We got it. If this is, yeah, I got them all.
How many are there?
5. Here's the deal. So, I was supposed to put a car jack under here, but I didn't want to buy one. So we're being held up with one of our sheets. I had the flywheel stuck to some wood down there so it would block it so it wouldn't spin when I was taking the flywheel bolts out. So now I gotta lift it up in the air. Actually, I should take some more of that. You guys are right. Hold on. I gotta loosen the flywheel bolts a little more before I pick it up and take it off, otherwise the flywheel will spin when I have it lifted in the air. Okay, up we go. Yeah. There we go. Stay out of the bite. So, amateur tip. When you go to put the flywheel back on, if you get a stud that's the same thread, you can put 2 studs in there and then put it on by yourself. Otherwise, you get to rip your wife in and she doesn't like it. That's a relationship tip.
It's not that I don't like it, it's that you always ask me at a time when I'm doing like something incredibly
I'm sorry.
important.
Are you busy now?
Yes.
Nothing to it, really. There she is. Old Leaky. You guys want to see? Hey, you earned it. You leak oil from there all the time. And so we're going to try to do a better job this time of sealing it up. So here's your issue right here, baby. When we put in the other lip seal, we only made it a little tiny bit above, so when it compressed, it made this little gap right here. That's where the oil is coming from. And so I was talking to my French friend next door. He recently rebuilt his. He says to make them a little taller, and then make them a cone shape, and when they scoosh, they kind of fill that void.
Oh, okay.
That's what we're going to try this time. But I'm getting really good at taking this shit out.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, I even cut the bulkhead and make it work.
I know.
Yeah.
Put a hinge on it.
Done, it's a door.
Today is a very special day because we are interviewing SVPrism for our podcast.
Yeah, they're famous as fuck, too.
Yeah. So we decided that we should also throw a little impromptu Christmas party with them.
Should I take my tags off?
No, we're going to return it.
Yeah.
So here we go!
Motherfuckers.
Do you want to just crawl over, or you want to take the door?
You can take one door out. I don't know. That's how I do it.
But not 2.
Do not take 2. Yeah, we only do 1.
Merry Christmas!
Welcome aboard!
This looks great.
SVPrism Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Merry
Whoa.
Christmas!
Yeah, we went to Walmart.
Check out this.
So if you
Walmart.
want to look over there.
What?
Yeah,
We have our own
A
stocking.
stocking. You guys get a
Oh, that's
present.
adorable.
What?
And you get your own hats.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
Put the soft shackle back on there.
You don't get the soft jack.
No, you get the soft
Oh
shackle.
wow. Oh
Yeah, I
wow.
made a bunch of them.
Wow.
You get a bunch of dumb shit.
This isn't for you, it's just for me.
Okay.
Oh.
It's quite warm. You guys got it nice and toasty in here too.
I mean, it's really hot.
Nice. Is that just from the radiator here?
That's from some
Well, I've been
soup.
cooking shit.
Ah.
That helps. That does help quite a bit.
Okay, you can stop that one if you want.
Open your present.
Oh hi.
Okay. I'm like, do I take my shirt off now or later?
Well, I'll keep the camera on.
Keep it rolling.
Hold on. You guys are